So, like I showed you, and like we talked about, there are many, 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 many different shapes of different leaves. So I'm going to draw a maple leaf. So that's the one that kind of curves out and branches up. I don't exactly remember how to draw it, so I'm just going to try my best. But I liked the edge. The edge looked pointy. And notice how big I draw it, because on the inside, I want to draw different patterns. And look, mine's not perfect. I've got points, I've got my 3 sides, and if I wanted to, I could have made up a leaf. So I'm going to take my different colors, and like we talked about, fall is the warm colors. So we got yellow, red, and orange. So we're going to use those, and we're going to draw different patterns. So you can divide your area up into whatever size you want and draw different patterns. Patterns means we are repeating something. So you can repeat shapes, you can repeat lines. I like this curve here, so I'm going to repeat that. So I repeat this pattern. So I got a line going up, and I'm going to do all 3 colors. Make sure you repeat it. If I'm using all 3 the first time, I have to use all 3 the next time. Patterns repeat. So I would fill all that with my patterns. And like I said, you could do anything you want. So I can draw circles and repeat them. Don't have to be the exact same circle. I can color them in different colors. You get to play around and do whatever you want. I can press hard. I can press light. You guys know how to use crayons by now. I know we can. So press light. I can color a lot easier. And then outside our paper, we want to use the cool colors, because those are some nature colors. So I've got blue, green, and violet. My violet's broken, but I can still use it. And just like last time, you can use different shapes and different lines to make patterns. And we can break it up into sections, just like I did with the inside of my leaf. And I can do different patterns within those sections. And I chose to use different lines. You don't have to draw lines exactly like mine. Just like your leaf doesn't have to look exactly like mine. And I'm gonna go with some squares. Oh, those are rectangles. But it's okay. and I can do different patterns of colors. Since I did the same shape, you just want to make sure to repeat it. Oh, you can do 2 different patterns. Or you could do 3 and change the colors. Once you have one pattern, it's kind of easy to do the next one. And if I wanted to, I could even change the shapes. I can do a circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So I've got different shapes you can use as patterns. You can do different lines. You get to decide because it's your artwork.